how to make a Christmas wreath from felt balls.
You're going to need an embroidery hoop, a packet of felt balls, specifically those in the Christmassy colours, and a glue gun. To get started, we're going to think about our design. I'm going to go for a green and red Christmassy snowy scene. I laid out some of the balls without glue just to get an idea of placement. Then switch on your glue gun, and while it's heating up, take some string and cut a nice long piece. Then attach it to the top of the hoop by folding it in half and threading the end through the loop. Then wrap the yarn around the clasp of the hoop until it's all covered. Finally, wrap the yarn sideways around the covered clasp and thread the end through the final loop you just made. Repeat this twice and pull tight. You'll now be able to hang your wreath. Now for the fun part. Take your glue gun and a mat if you don't want to get glue on your furniture. The first layer of felt balls will be glued directly onto the hoop. Put a small blob of glue on the ball and press firmly onto the hoop. Repeat this for all the balls in the first layer. Now for the second layer. I arranged a few balls without glue just to remind myself of their placement, then I picked up my glue gun again. Some felt balls will be glued on top of others. For these, put 3 or 4 blobs of glue on the existing felt balls and press the new ball firmly on top. Keep going until you're happy with the next layer. The beauty of this project is that you can be completely creative. I just kept adding felt balls until I was happy. If you notice gaps anywhere, just pop a little blob of glue and press the balls together. And finally, for a finishing touch, I bought some little decorations. I got some bows and some holly. Just glue these on with your glue gun. Be creative. And there we have it, a beautiful felt balls Christmas wreath. I hope you enjoy making it.